Well, Ken, we managed to have a good look at the cost profile which arose out of the production relationships that we discussed in a much earlier video.
Yep.
And we saw that we derived these U-shaped cost curves, the average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost curves, and the marginal cost curve that kind of connected everything together. Now, when you hear businesses complaining about rising costs associated with wages or whatever, it seems to me that we need to really just be a little bit clearer about the relationship between non-ceteris paribus events. For instance, in our productivity production lectures, we talked about a fixed wage rate, fixed, etc. Can we just go through what factors will shift these curves?
Sure, and that's actually very important that we do that, because in reality, of course, in the real world, those things do happen. Rent goes up quite frequently. Anyone in business will tell you that when the landlord said your rent's going up, that's it. And of course, you can imagine, therefore, AFC goes up, and by dint of association, ATC's up
as well. Yes,
but
that's right.
MC and ABC, by definition, don't move.
Yes.
So, but of course, when the Arbitration Commission or a unionised group of labour establish a higher wage rate for their workers,
yes.
So we can imagine that ABC is pushed up.
And that may be an industry-wide thing, so the average variable cost for all firms go up.
And then, of course, you find the intriguing thing that businesses are trying desperately, if you like, to prevent that from going up.
Yes,
so they're doing deals, if you like, under the enterprise bargaining agreements to encourage a higher level of productivity from their workers. So if we can imagine our MPL, our marginal productivity curve, going up,
yes.
And dragging APL up as well,
yes.
then it has that downward effect on MC and ABC.
And ABC.
So it's very
and
important.
everyone on ATC as well.
Yes. Very important that students realise that the curves can shift. And of course, there's that other thing that you and I have talked about, and of course something I'm hoping you'll walk the students through when we add a degree of specialisation to either mechanical or our productivity gains that we get from changing the size of our plant. In other words, we need to add to this short run analysis the long run dimension.
Okay, when all factors become variable.
Absolutely.
Yes, whereas we've been discussing these shifting curves in the context of just the short run.
And look, we'll be using this. This is a wonderful little model. This will be the cornerstone of our analysis, this profile, over the subsequent clips when we start looking at the individual firms operating in different market structures. And as we've said before, we'll add the revenue side of those firms to this model, and we'll see what's going on.
Yeah, so I better get going and prepare those slides on long run average costs.
Absolutely. See you later.
It never stops, does it?
No rest for the wicked.
Thanks, mate.
Okay.